is Ma'am NJ again, and I will give you another lesson for today. So, do you still remember our last topic? I hope so, because it will be applied to our new topic for today. So, be ready. Let's start. Let's compare set A to set B. Set A has a greater number of elements than set B. And as we notice, one of the sets contained in the other. But how can other modes of transportation like car, airplane, bicycle, and so on, not in the given sets, be represented? Let's find out how. So our lesson for today is about set relationships. Set is a collection of objects, and relation maps the element of one set to another set. It's like a connection between two sets. Another type of set is a universal set. It is often described by using the capital letter U. Universal set contains all the possible elements based on the given criteria or characteristic of a set. Example of a set of F, whose elements are Anna, Bella, Kathy, Dayan, Eva, and Francine. Set of F is a universal set because it contains all female names. So we have here Venn diagram. It is a visual tool named after the British logician John Venn. It can be used to show and analyze relationships between or among given sets in relation to the universal set. Let's have some example. Abby and Bobby listed their favorite board games. So let's use big letter A to represent Abby and big letter B to represent Bobby. Abby listed Scrabble, Monopoly, Millionaire's Game, Snakes, and Ladders as her favorite board games, while Bobby listed Chess, Scrabble, Monopoly, Millionaire's Game, Game of the Generals, and Snake and Ladders as his favorite. Using Venn diagram, the two sets can be represented this way in relation to the universal set. Since all the games listed by Abby were also listed by Bobby, a circle labeled A is placed inside the circle labeled B. The shaded region in the universal set outside of set B represents the board games that were not listed by Abby and Bobby. Such shaded region in the Venn diagram below represents the complement of set B, and notation B is used to indicate the complement of set B. Complement of set B is the set of all elements in the universal set that are not in B. Using set builder notation, the complement of B can be expressed as notation B is the set of all X, such as U is an element of X and B is not an element of X. Notice that the Venn diagram also shows that all elements of set A are in set B. This shows that set A is a subset of set B. So what is subset? Set A is a subset of set B if every element of set A is also an element of set B. It is written in symbols. Note, the symbol of subset having slash in the middle indicates that a set is not a subset of another set. Set A is a proper subset of set B if a subset of B and A is not equal to B. So here's the symbol. The number of elements of a proper subset is always less than that of the given set. It can also be concluded that every set is a subset of itself. Moreover, from the definition of subset, it is also important to note that the empty set is a subset of every set. And that's the set relationship all about. Again, I am hoping that you understand our lesson for today. And if you have question, you can ask me during our class and I will definitely answer your question. Or you may watch this video 10 times until you master the lesson. Thank you for giving your time to learn. Happy learning!